Hello everybody. Thank you for watching my little video. I think I've got something that's an easy little do-it-yourself upgrade. Y- You know, th- I've been putting these up all over the house. It's so easy to do and a little thing, but I think it makes a big change in the day-to-day life. A lot of us live in these older houses and they didn't really they didn't have all this LED lighting back when this house was built. So it was more difficult to get lighting into all the areas. You have closets that aren't lighted or lit very well, and cabinets, under counters, a lot of things that, in the newer houses you get that sort of stuff. But what do you do for these older houses? Well, I've been putting up these little LED lights all over the place, really. And today I'm going to look at one I put into the washing closet. Yes, so that's the LED bar light. And I also have some solar lights for outside around the fences and stuff. But let's look at this little indoor closet light first. So there's a lot of competing brands in this. You can just go out on Amazon and look for closet LED strip lights, and you'll find them at different price points and features. But really, they're all mostly the same. They're going to be motion activated LED strip lights that are rechargeable. And this one just uses a little micro USB plug to recharge it. Now, it does take a while to recharge, it takes all day to recharge it. But once it's recharged and in place, uh, it's good for a month. So that's a little magnetic strip. That's an adhesive backed magnetic strip. So you just peel that adhesive off the strip, put that in the location where you want, and then later when you're removing the LED light, it just goes on and off by magnetic attraction. So here you can see I'm just recharging it before I install it. Um, couldn't be easier, really. Just like your phone or something. This particular model has an intensity switch, so you can turn the level of the light up and down, and then you just push on the top, and you can see look how bright that is, right? On and off switch. I think they could do a little bit better engineering on the different settings for these, but I'm sure you'll be able to figure that out. Basically, it's all constant on, motion activated, daylight, dark only, those kinds of things. For closets, what you're looking for is motion activated all the time, so that if there's a motion, the light will come on, and then it'll turn itself off after 30 seconds or something like that. So here's the adhesive backing. I'm just going to. Oh, I saw the light just turned on. Adhesive backing. I don't have a lot of fingernails here, but eventually you get that backing off of there, and figure out where you want to install it. It is probably a one-time application, so before you stick that onto your into your cabinets or closets, you probably want to know where it's going. Uh, Almost got it. Just tedious in there. So anyway, so that's adhesive, and I'm going to put that in the closet underneath the shelf, and then just put the light there. So we have a laundry closet, not a laundry room, and there's just not enough light down low. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the adhesive strip. You can see there's a light up above, but it just shelves cast shadow over where I'm trying to work. So I'm going to take the adhesive strip and just put it in there, and I'm going to push it back far enough that it doesn't you don't get the glare in your eyes when you walk up to it. That shelf is lower than my eye level, so that'll keep glare. And just stick it on there. So anyway, quickly just a demo. Put the light on, and now just kind of as you walk up, you can see the motion just turns it on. So really, that's it, guys. I'm sure you can think of places to put these closets like this, under cabinets, under sinks, Just any place that's dark, just easy peasy install. Thank you for watching and take care out there.